Which brokers have synthetic indices? Which brokers offer synthetic indices? It's a question that I often get asked when I post videos showing myself trading synthetic indices. So I've basically done the homework for you. Basically, I've put all the QR codes for the brokers that have synthetic indices on your screen right now. What you just need to do is to just scan. If you're going to be scanning with your phone, just scan the QR codes on your screen. They are the best brokers when it comes to synthetic indices, and you can basically start with just $10 of trade for deposit as your deposit for trading your capital. And in terms of withdrawals and stuff, I've not had any issues with these brokers. That's why I'm happy to share the brokers that I use myself. I've also put their links to the brokers in the description box below. If you are not able to scan the QR codes on the screen right now, see the links in the description box, as well as the links in the comment section. The pinned comment is what I also recommend. So those are the brokers that have synthetic indices. Those are the brokers that offer synthetic indices.